Welcome to Tanesia's Locs, Beauty Tips, and Potpourri, the channel where we get it all in. You can also learn more about the I Am Melanin Magic brand. Thank you for stopping by. I Am Melanin Magic's fragrance bombs are explosive. Get your charcoal. Make sure you heat it on a heat source long enough so that the charcoal turns gray on all four sides before you place any of the incense, bahor, or unsi on top of the charcoal. Take a small piece, if not the entire ball, take a small piece of your fragrance bomb. And as you break off that small piece, place it on the gray charcoal and enjoy the concentrated aromatics, fragrances, and natural ingredients. Our fragrance bombs are the bomb. Use in a ventilated area and use when you need fragrance all over your space. Feminize and romanticize. I am Melanin Magic, and so are you. Welcome, welcome, beautiful butterflies and perfect people, to Tanesia's Locs, Beauty Tips, and Potpourri. And today I am talking to you about this radiant red, which actually is midnight ruby. This is the color that I have been looking for, that I have been willing to sacrifice the ends of my hair for and the length of my hair to get this brilliant reddish burgundy oasis of color. Let me tell you what I have done. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe and share the video so I can get into how I got this gorgeous color. Okay, y'all, the last video I did, I was talking about color. I had some trepidation. Y'all know I've been at this coloring thing now for about 10 years. Prior to getting my locks, I was dyeing in fact, that's why I ended up getting the locks, due to massive hair fall, due to my attempt to go brighter and brighter and brighter. I've been dyeing since high school. We all been dyeing since the moment of birth, but I have been dyeing since high school when I was doing the blondes. So, you know the catastrophic event that precipitated the entire going to the barbershop story time and having to have my hair cut off. I started with this and I continued to grow my hair. And then after 2 years, I went ahead and I got Sisterlocks. But ever since, I have wanted to capture the color that I had before. This was the color I always had, but even then it was deeper and you could only really see its brilliance out in the sun. Okay, this is so much brighter. I wish I could show you. I'll have to take some pictures outside. This, I mean, it's bright all up in here. This may look dark, but the burgundy and the richness up in here that you can see when I go outside. I'm happy! And so will you be. Now, let me go through the fire first. I'm going to give it a few more weeks. We're going to see how my ends hold up, because you all know my hair should be way longer, but I have sacrificed my ends for color. I have sacrificed my OCD with picking my ends. And so I've paid the price for OCD and perfectionism and all of those grave injustices to these beautiful locks. But I am happy now, and let me tell you about what I have done. Now, in the last video, I talked about giving this product a try. Look at that. Look at that. That is the same. And when I say the color intensity, when I say I slept on a white pillow last night and the night before, and I had only 2 little tiny spots. And before, when I would sleep on a white pillow, my hair would tear the pillow up. If I was at the hotel, I had to put a towel over the pillow. And even the next day, it was embarrassing when I would wake up because there were spots all over the towels. Not with this. And I get the same level of intensity, and my hair does not feel hard. Now, I did use the conditioner, but I also ordered additional conditioner from the company, because in this box here, the thing is, they give you this tiny, tiny amount of conditioner. What can I do with this for my head? And this time it took 3 of these, almost 3 of these. Normally it takes me 6. 5. It takes me 6 Vidal Sassoon and 5 of the Adore semi-permanent dye that I use from the beauty supply store. It took 2.5. Not because it's bigger, but because you get a bang with this. It is a better product. This is not enough, so I ordered more of their conditioner for colored hair from their website. And I am going to do my best to eventually get a link. It'll be an affiliate link, obviously, because I will be the new poster child for this product if I can get one. But, oh yeah, I'm going low. Hold on. This is, okay, you can see now that I'm back. I had to come back. You can actually see more of the color right now. You all know in the fall, I need Brilliance. And I love it in the summer and spring too. So I am so impressed because my hair still feels good. I did use the conditioner. I told you I bought some additional conditioner, which is from this company. They do recommend that you wash with the sulfate shampoo. I use Fructis, their sulfate shampoo, but I try to stay away from parabens anyway, but parabens and sulfates are different. This asked for sulfate free, which the only one that I saw at the Dollar General. Y'all know I live out here in these boondocks. Okay, out here in these country streets, you just can't find just anything. I got one light, one 4-way stop in my little town. So Fructis was all they had. But this is a deep reconstructive conditioner. I'm not fond of putting conditioners in my hair because whenever I put them in my hair, they leave residue. And when I go through and you see me picking on these videos, it's not lint that I'm picking out 50% of the time. It's not the lint. It's residue from trying to get the conditioners out, and it falls and moves down to the ends, and so it lands in the ends of my hair, and if I don't get it, it hardens in my hair and it becomes difficult to get out, and sometimes I'm not very patient. So I caution you, if you have help in the rinse, it'd be even better. Otherwise, you need to rinse. Check your hair after the conditioner over and over and over, and make sure you get as much of that conditioner out as possible. This is my new go-to, y'all. It's very easy. You put the gloves on. This, while it won't give you a blood bath if you wash in a stainless steel sink or in a metal sink, it's going to tear your counters up. After maybe 3 or 4 bleachings, I still have not been able to get the spots off the counter, even though I did lay a piece of fabric down. Now, my counters in the kitchen, although light, I was able to get the marks out of that one. And maybe it's because that counter stays wet more and it's more moist. But the verdict is in, everyone. The verdict is in. This is your color. Now, if I continue to be able to wear this, which they claim for up to 30 washes, I mean, I can't. But the lady at the Dollar General store is the one that I saw. Her hair was looking so beautiful. And she's the one that recommended this. And she says she's washed it plenty of times and her hair color still looked good. So even if I got 10 washes, I couldn't get that from either of the previous products. So if I got 10 washes, I would be happy. I will continue to use this product. If it doesn't harm my hair, I will continue to use it. It is semi-permanent. It is a no bleach product, and it is called Midnight Ruby in their line of rebellious colors. Now, the other beautiful thing about this is, unlike when I use the Vidal Sassoon, or maybe when you've used Cream of Nature, Soft and Beautiful, Revlon, and you get the excessive drying of the ends after about 2 to 3 weeks, but you can tell after you dye it, you're going to deal with that because the hair feels different. I'm not having that so far, but it's only been a few days. The other thing is, when I would use the commercial over-the-counter colors, Vidal Sassoon was my go-to because it was easier on the hair than the Dark and Lovely for sure, and the Soft and Beautiful. Forget those. They're very harsh, and they're supposed to be for our hair, but they're harsher than the Vidal Sassoon. But inevitably, what I would deal with is the hardening of my hair. And the last time I didn't dye for a year, it took a little bit longer than a year for me to begin to see my hair getting back to normal. I didn't dye for at least a year, and it took close to a year for me to even start to get to feel that my hair started feeling more like it used to before I started any of the colors. And that can be aggravating because when you have long locks, they're rubbing you. And when they feel hard, it's irritating. And when your lover is loving on you, it's not the same. But here, my hair still feels very light. After I colored it, naturally, I went in with my beautiful Melanin Magic, my premium blend, which is great to give your hair the extra moisture that it needs, or to help seal in the moisture if you are using the oil, the waters, the floral waters, or whatever else you may be, just regular water, whatever it is you may be using. But this also has some properties of a humectant, which will draw a little bit of water to your hair in the majority of environments, although not all. And so some of the qualities of what is in here can help you with moisture. And you can get that from the I Am Melanin Magic website. If you still want bold color and you find that you are in some way suffering from a hair loss and you want color but you're not sure, then what I would suggest you do is to go in with the Magical Hair Growth Serum and the Fearless Follicles. Nighttime, daytime, follow the directions. The commercial or the ad that you see, the gentleman use it 5 days a week. I say start out at about 3 and then go to 5. If you've used it before, you already know what to do. But you can still strengthen your hair. And I'm not noticing anything at all that is not helpful. I can tell you the locks feel great. Now, the other thing that was interesting is you can see where it covered up some of the gray. I had a little bit of gray around the front. Although I wasn't focused on that when I was coloring, because it bleaches your skin, it colors your skin, it stains your skin. And it would have been like, I would have had a long stain around here for even longer. It still got some of the gray in. Okay, you're going to have some of that staining. Who cares? It's the price you pay for beauty. Now, this is something I'm going to try. This is Color Crush Red. It's a bold foam hair color to help you refresh and rehydrate, but to refresh your color when it becomes dull. Now, this is in the red family. So while it may not be a total match for this, it should still be okay. So when I decide to use this, I will let you know. This says last 5 to 10 washes. What the heck? And let me see if this says anything about how many washes it lasts. But there are a lot of quinoa extracts and vitamins and minerals that help strengthen the hair. Baobab seed oil moisturizers can help nourish the hair follicles and give the appearance of soft hair, which I pretty much agree with. And if you take a look at the color chart, even if you're starting here, you can expect to get this. And this is where I was starting. My hair my hair is actually dark brown. It's actually a little bit darker, but my ends were lighter because I had colored before in the past. I love it. I love it. But in terms of the amount of washes, it just says long-lasting hair color, and it's best for brunettes. It's vegan. It's cruelty-free. I absolutely, absolutely love it. I cannot tell you how much I love it. I'm super, super happy about it. And I just thought that you all should share in the color reveal. And if you're still interested in getting beautiful color and you want bright color, and remember, if you don't have light ends already from previous dye, it's not going to get this light. But even this color outside in the sun is glorious. The intensity is not anything I can compare it to. I did not have this intensity with the Vidal Sassoon. I certainly didn't have it with the Adore products. This is also less messy in the application. It doesn't drip all down your face. Although if you get the spots on the sink, like I said, it can be a nightmare. But it's easier to put in. It doesn't have a toxic smell. And somehow it rinses out easier. I cannot explain, maybe because more of the product is left on the hair, but I'm happy so far. If you continue to follow my journey, don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. But if you continue to follow my journey, you're going to see how long this actually lasts. I love you. I love you. I love you. I want to thank all of you for your support, For those of you who have purchased I Am Melanin Magic and you are in the I Am Melanin Magic 500 Club because you have purchased more than 500, look for the coupon until the end of the month that is in your mailbox. It is an excellent coupon. Even better is a coupon for those of you that are in the 1000+ Club. You have a wonderful coupon code that is in your mailbox if you belong to that club. I would suggest you take a look at your email if you haven't seen it. Also check with your spam folder. If for some reason you don't see it in your email, just send a text message to I Am Melanin Magic. I'll look you up to make sure that you're in that particular club and your name is on that list. And if so, I will forward that coupon to you. For the rest of you, I want to thank you for all of your support today, yesterday, the support you'll give tomorrow. Please show up in the comments. Let me know what you think about the option of coloring. If coloring is something that you have wanted to do for your hair, I say take the dive. You got this. Get that color. They got blues. They got some greens. They got some pinks, some fuchsias. I love it. I love you guys too. If you haven't purchased my book, Manifesting Your Masterpiece, that you see it here behind that crystal ball, you can get that from Amazon and Barnes & Noble. I hope that you're having a funky good time. Dun, 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 dun. I hope that you are having a funky good 2024. I most certainly am. You guys, I have been juicing for the last 8 days. Yes, I'm juicing. I'm going to be doing that for quite some time, and I'm also expecting to ride in a 32-mile race that I'm training for in September. So I am getting off to a running start in 2024. I sure hope that you are. If you need inspiration, come over to Butterfly Transformations, which is my other channel, where we get it all in, everything that we need to up-level our lives and continue to travel the frequency. I love you. Hey ladies, do you love the way your skin looks and feels? I know I do, because I am using the I Am Melanin Magic Anti-Aging Serum. And at 50, I love the way my skin looks and feels. This blend is bomb. It renews, revitalizes, rejuvenates, soothes, conditions, moisturizes, tones, brightens, and fades all in one step. So if you're ready to get your glow on, go get you some I Am Melanin Magic Anti-Aging Serum.
If you struggle with acne during your youth or even as an adult, it's time to give I Am Melanin Magic Acne Serum a try. Unlike other harsh products that dry out your skin, our oils balance and purify, helping to heal inflammation. All natural and formulated to meet the requirements of melanated skin. You'll see results in no time. Don't delay. Order yours today.
Do you have dark spots from skin irritation? How about unsightly marks from acne that's lasted way too long? Fade Magic can help you find your way back to radiance over time. Don't delay, order yours today.
If you are not using Melanin Magic hair oil, then what are you using?
Hi, I'm the creator of the I Am Melanin Magic Skin and Hair Care brand. The I Am Melanin Magic Hair Oil is our premier product. It is the leading high-end supplement for your mane.
It reduces breakage and promotes growth and can be used on all hair types and looks, from straightened hair and microlocks to wigs and protective styles.
It's antifungal, antibacterial, and it's anti-funk, so you know you're protected.
It softens and conditions your hair, and it's anti-frizz too.
Hey guys, so I started using this oil called I Am Melanin Magic since February of this year, and check out the new growth. Like, it's insane. Not only did it help with my new growth, but it smells amazing too.
See the dramatic improvements Denisha has made after not having hair around her edges for 3 years. Tanya's hair had been like this for almost 20 years, and while getting injections. Her doctor said it was scarred and would never grow back. After 4 weeks of using I Am Melanin Magic, this is what she looked like. I Am Melanin Magic did this to Danette's hair after a short time. This is really all your hair needs. It's rich with antioxidants, loaded with growth-promoting ingredients. Look at the growth of my hair. It's amazing. The product speaks for itself. Order yours today and don't delay. Don't delay. Purchase yours today.
I Am Melanin Magic,
And so are you.